Today's video, we are going to dive into Sonnet 116 written by William Shakespeare. So if you want to sharpen your mind and expand your understanding, make sure to stick around till the end. Let's read this sonnet line by line, and I'll try my best to explain it to you guys in easy words. After that, we will explore literary devices and themes. Let me not to the marriage of true minds admit impediment. Love is not love which alter when it alteration finds, or bends when the remover to remove. Here, Shakespeare is saying, don't let me say that anything or any obstacle can come in the way of the union of two people who truly understand each other, who are truly connected in thoughts and spirit. Next, he says, real love doesn't change when circumstances change. If love shifts, when things get tough or someone leaves, it wasn't true love. Oh no, it is an ever-fixed mark that looks on tempest and is never shaken. It is the star to every wandering bark, whose worth unknown, although his height to be taken. In these lines, Shakespeare is talking about love is like a lighthouse and it stay firm even in the worst storm. Now, the comparison of love to the lighthouse is really unique. Then he says, love is like the North Star that sailors use to navigate even if we don't fully understand its value. Alright, students, love's not time's fool. Though rosy lips and cheeks within his bending sickle compass come. Here, Shakespeare is talking about the love which doesn't fade with age, even though beauty does fades with time. The time sickle is reference to the death or aging. Love alters not with his brief hours and weeks, but bears it out even to the age of doom. True love doesn't fade over time, it lasts till death. The same talk is keep going on. If this be error and upon me proved, I never write, or nor no man ever loved. Very powerful lines. I am truly the fan of these last two lines of this sonnet. Here he says, if I am wrong about this, whatsoever he has mentioned above, he says, if I am wrong about this, then assume that I have never written anything and no one has ever truly loved. Let's explore the literary devices in this sonnet. Metaphors are seen very prominent in this sonnet. First is, it is the star to every wandering bark. Here the author is comparing love to a guiding star. For lost ships, it gives direction. Alright, students. Next we have love's not time's fool. It is also a metaphor that love isn't a plaything of time. It doesn't fade. The themes are, so the first theme, which is quite prominent in this sonnet, is true love versus superficial love. So the Shakespeare draws a clear line between real love, fake, and shallow love. In this sonnet, he says that true love doesn't change when circumstances changes. It remains steady. Fake or superficial love depends on physical attraction, money, or mood. It fades with time or problems. The second theme is consistency and loyalty. True love is unchanging and faithful, like a guiding star that helps people in rough time. The third theme is unchanging nature of love. One of the biggest message of this sonnet is that true love doesn't change. No matter what, it doesn't end unless life itself ends. According to Shakespeare, love lasts forever, not just for a short time or during happiness or when you are in mood, so it comes to you, otherwise it fades. No, he is very serious and he is talking real time. Last but not the least, time versus timelessness. Shakespeare personifies time as something that destroys physical beauty, but says true love is not affected by time. How beautiful this is. It doesn't fade like beauty or youth. Youth means youngness. So that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed the video and learned something new, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get knowledge for more educational content. Also, hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Stay curious, keep learning, and